Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a quick healthy meal from beef mince. You can shape this beef mince in the burger or patty or kebabs and you can have it with your rice, salad or buns. It's quite healthy, it's easy, it's fast, and I'm sure all of your family are going to be like it. Let's get started and see how we can put together this nice meal together. So here first we're going to look to what ingredient we need for actually mince patty. Firstly we need mince, beef mince. It's a lean beef mince, so you can use it regular, doesn't matter. We have some garlic which I put it in cold water to peel them easier. I have a bunch of mint, the parsley, I have half of the capsicum, I have 1 onion, 2 carrots, I have some obviously with salt, turmeric, my favorite spice, we have some sweet paprika, we're gonna add some curry powder. I use that brand, I like it, and some grinded black pepper. For all of those vegetable and spices, I'm gonna add to a processor and basically blend it together. We process most of the stuff. We add about 1 teaspoon of the salt, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of the cracked black pepper, 2 teaspoons of the curry powder, and finally some sweet paprika powder, 1 teaspoon, and again mix all of those ingredients. Then I put all of those ingredients now to this clean bowl. I'm going to mix them with meat. If you can do it a bit coarse, it's not too bad. It's like if you can see the relative coarse fish, it's not too bad. Then I'll add our minced beef to the mix. I'm gonna wash my hands and mix it all together. Right, put all of those meat here. Right, now I just want to make it even more straight and even. I'm gonna use this one. Put the edges much nicer. It's worked quite well with this one, as you can see. And then try to level it up. Low heat. I use this one. Put on low easy. Start cutting through, because I'm gonna make it just like little kebab chichi or kebabs, if you want to say. I'm gonna put the lid on. I'll leave it as it is. Now we're gonna start to making that lovely sauce which goes with this one, which actually we pour over it, and let's cook together towards it. Okay, now we're gonna make the sauce which goes with this meat patty or kebab chichi or kebabs. Ingredient we need is oregano, dried. You can use fresh as well, but I use it for ease. Dry one. Curry powder, the same one. Just diced tomato, sweet paprika powder, a smoked sweet paprika, some chili, one lemon, and a bit of the salt. Again, we're gonna use the food processor. Everything goes to food processor and just mix it up together. To our oregano, I'm going to use 3 teaspoons. And meanwhile, our mince meat is cooking in the background. 1 generous teaspoon of sweet paprika to give it a bit of a smoky taste. Smoked sweet paprika, again 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of curry. And I use half a teaspoon of salt. Then we zap all of the ingredients. We're gonna add this one into our frying pan now. Right, by the time we prepare the sauce, our meat is slowly cooked, as you can see. Now again, I'll go with this spatula to create those gaps. That point actually mince quite half cooked, and in that point actually I'm going to pour the sauce all over this together. Spread them evenly if I can. Back for 5 minutes, and then I'll remove the lid and let the water start to evaporate and the sauce become much thicker. Okay, 5 minutes passed, and the patty and sauce just cooking together. In that stage, actually, I removed the lid because I want to get rid of excess water. As this is started simmering and getting rid of the excess water, we can start to preparing our salad, which goes with it in our bun, which is depends what you're. Maybe you're gonna have a green salad, and by then this is gonna be ready. Alright, for salad, you can do whatever salad, any green salad is good, but what I'm gonna do, I have a mixed leaf, I have some Chinese cabbage, avocado, 2 small tomato, half of the red onion, and a cucumber, and just cut them, and then I add some of them my eggplant pickle, which I showed in previous video how you can do it. I add it as a dressing as well. I'll put if you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link down below. It's quite nice, quite healthy, and you can have it with the bread as a meal or a snack, or can add it to the salad or a lot of other dishes. Let's just and then I add a bit of salt and a bit of olive oil, and that's basically our salad, which goes with our kebabs as it gets prepared. Alright, salad is ready. As you can see, I've added all of the ingredient and then top it up with some of my eggplant pickle, and ready to go with my kebab tissue. Alright, as you can see, the water just almost evaporate, maybe a bit too much, but still good. There's still a lot of sauce around, and in that point or a bit earlier, you turn it off, and we're gonna make our buns. And here you have it, nice healthy sandwich which I made, and I'm gonna eat it now for my lunch. I hope you can make this food as well, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. However, as I said, you don't have to make it as a buns. You can make it as a wrap, or you can have it with rice or salad. Therefore, there is no boundary, but that's the way I'm gonna eat it today. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and share it with your family and friends. Until next week, I want to just say keep healthy, keep active, and eat healthy food, and I'll look forward to see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.